How to add cookie pop-up notification in WordPress website. Hey guys, in this video I'll teach you how to add cookie pop-up notification in your WordPress website. For this, first of all, you need to bring your cursor here to plugins and then click on add new. Now in this search box, search for cookie and click enter. Now scroll down. Here you can see a cookie notice. Plugin, click on install now. Once it's installed, click on activate button. Okay, so my plugin has been activated. Now here I'll search for my plugin. I'll click on settings. So the first settings, you could see the status which is active, and this is something which is absolutely perfect for us. The next one is Apple ID and the app key. So if you upgrade the cookie compliance or you have an account already, so these are the fields to enter in order to integrate the cookie compliance web application with the plugin itself. The next thing, you can't plugin will start to display a basic cookie pop-up to your visitor right away without any sort of additional configuration at all. And the default message is, most suitable for most of the websites. So anyway, if you scroll down, you can also change the button text here, and from here you can select the privacy policy. I'll click on it. So I've added my privacy policy page here. So nextly, you can see you can set up the refuse content option or revoke consent option. You can do all of these things, and if I scroll down, you can see you can customize the notice design itself. So you can choose whether you want to fetch the notice on the top of your website or on the bottom of your website. Next, you can see you can also set up the animation itself. And the next, for colors, let's say I will make it blue. And then I'll click on save changes and my cookie pop-up notification will be saved. This is how you can add a cookie pop notification in your WordPress website. I hope the video helped you. Remember to give this video thumbs up if you found it useful and subscribe our channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video.